The Epson EcoTank ET-2811 printer is designed to print wirelessly, allowing you to send documents and photos directly from your phone, tablet, or computer without using a USB cable. Wireless setup connects the printer to your home Wi-Fi network so multiple devices can print from anywhere within range. Epson makes this process simple through the Epson Smart Panel app or the printer's built-in Wi-Fi setup button. Once connected, you can easily manage printing, scanning, and maintenance from your devices. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the printer and press the Wi-Fi button until the network indicator light begins blinking. Step 2. Download and open the Epson Smart Panel app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 3. In the app, select Add Printer and choose the EcoTank ET-2811 from the available devices. Step 4. Enter your home Wi-Fi network, name and password when prompted. Step 5. Wait for the connection to complete, then print a test page to confirm the wireless setup works correctly.